Ever wanted to install apps on your Android or Google TV without using the downloader app? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to install any APK app on your Android TV using only your phone. First, pick your Android phone, go to Google Play Store, search for Send File to TV, download and install it. This app allows you to send or receive APK files wirelessly from your phone directly to your Android TV. Now move to your Android TV, open the Play Store, search for Send File to TV, download and install it. Once installed, open the app and allow all permissions. And make sure your phone and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or this method will not work. Now go back to your phone, download the APK file of the app you want to install on your Android TV. You can download APKs from trusted website or app store. On this, I'll download the Facebook APK. Once it's fully downloaded, you are ready to send it to your TV. Open Send File to TV both on your phone and TV. On your phone, tap Send. Select the APK file you downloaded. On your TV, tap Receive. Your TV will appear on your phone. Select it. Now wait for the file transfer to complete. Once the transfer finishes, click on the app, select Install. Allow Install Unknown App if prompted. Wait for installation to complete and boom, your app is now installed. You can repeat this method to install any APK app you want to install on your Android TV. If after sending the file you can't find it, do this. Go to your home screen, locate Media, click on Available Device, locate the file, click Install. That is it, problem solved. And that is how you can download and install apps on your Android TV without using the downloader app. Simple, fast and 100% wireless. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Android TV tips, tricks and hidden features, and drop a comment if you need help. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.